The Hadza tribe lives in northern Tanzania. They still survive by hunting and gathering, just like their ancestors. Today they go out to hunt. They walk through the bush with bows and arrows, searching for animals. They see a baboon and shoot it with arrows. The hunt is successful. Because the animal is heavy, 2 people carry it using a long stick, tied at both ends, and bring it back to the camp. At the camp, they light a fire. First, they place the baboon over the flames to burn off the hair. This makes the skin clean and easier to prepare. Once the hair is removed, they cut the meat into pieces. Then, they place the meat into a large metal pot to cook it. They boil it over the fire. No spices, just water and heat. When the meat is ready, they gather to eat. The food is shared with everyone, adults and children. Subscribe for more videos about traditional life and native tribes.